Hello friends, today we want to see about the first computer program and a gambler, Ada Lovelace. Ada Lovelace imagination led her to develop the first computer program for Charles Babbage Analytical Engine. An young lady eagerly looked at the racetrack where horses were racing towards the finish line. The lady had bet her entire life saving on this race, and if she loses the bet, it will spell doom to her livelihood. The race was over, and the lady lost the bet. She walked out of the race with a considerable debt, which she never repaid. She was involved in gambling to earn money to make the first computer for mankind. Her name was Ada Lovelace, the first computer programmer in the world. Ada Lovelace was born in London in 1815. Ada was a perfect mix of art and science. She was the daughter of the famous poet Lord Byron, and her mother, Anna Isabella, was a renowned mathematician. Isabella made sure that the matters of Lord Byron does not pass on to Ada and made her to indulge in mathematics at a very young age. Ada was inspired by mathematics and spent her entire life in learning new things. Annabella got Augustus de Morgan, the head of Department of Mathematics at London University, as her maths tutor. Augustus was thrilled to teach Anna and was keen to nurture her knowledge. Ada's creativity knew no bounds. She designed a mechanical flying bird at the age of 13. Ada's life turned upside down at the age of 17 when she met the father of modern computers, Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage was a pioneer in the development of mechanical calculators. The calculator's primary purpose is to make accurate calculation for seafarers, as a minor mistake might end their lives in the sea. Babbage, along with his friends in the Royal Observatory in Greenwich, put down the mechanical calculator's requirement. Babbage got a budget from the British government and started with his work on the difference engine. Babbage showed the demo of difference engine to a handful of guests, which included Ada. Ada meanwhile explored the jacquard loom. In industrial Britain, jacquard loom automated the textile loom process, which is a simple punch card system. Ada was fascinated by the difference engine and pondered Babbage with letter of letter on the working of the difference engine. The difference engine was able to perform simple calculations, but Charles Babbage was eyeing on a much bigger machine, analytical engine. Analytical engine model had a conditional arm which employed the first if-then condition in a computer. In 1842, Ada got an opportunity to translate an account of Italian military officer on Babbage's difference engine. Ada added her thoughts on the much larger application of the analytical engine beyond just number crunching in the translation. Ada even wrote a sample program for analytical engine, making her the first programmer in human history. Her ideas resonated with Babbage, but the British government was frustrated with Babbage's work. His promised delivery of the difference engine never materialized. On top of that, Babbage asked for an extra fund for the analytical engine. The British government scrapped the idea to sponsor Babbage. Ada sensed the problem that Babbage was caught in and offered to take up the analytical engine's marketing. At the same time, Babbage can do the technical part. But Babbage didn't want to share his invention. Ada decided to fund the analytical engine from her own purse. Ada's mother made sure that Ada does not have access to the family property, which she can convert into cold cash. Ada got help from a friend's step and started to gamble in horse races. Ada thought that horse races had a pattern in which she can figure out and win the races. Ada shared letters with Babbage which explained her process. Unfortunately, she lost most of the game and led horse races with huge debts. Ada married William King Noel, who was 10 years older than her and had 3 children. Her passion for mathematics drove her mad. Her tutor, Augustus, informed Annabella that Ada had a good knack for mathematics, but unfortunately she was a woman and she couldn't cope up with pressure. Such was the view of Victorian society on women. Ada contracted cancer and died in 1852. Charles Dickens read to her in deathbed. She died at an early age of 36, just like her father. Ada, as per her wish, was buried next to her father. Ada's contribution to computer science was unknown for many decades. It was brought to light by another extraordinary mathematician, Alan Turing. Alan Turing, while working on to decode the Enigma code in Bletchley Park, came across Ada Lovelace's first program. Alan Turing was able to connect with Ada's ideas, even though they were from different periods. Alan Turing brought Ada to limelight, and the recognition we give to Ada is due to him. US Pentagon named a programming language that they developed as Ada. Born in Victorian age with 3 children, Ada was able to overcome the stigmas of the period and employ her creativity to create the first computer program. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.